Navigating through dark times, understanding English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the depths of English phrases, and our spotlight is on the term, dark times. You may have heard it in movies, books, or even in everyday conversations. But what does it really mean? Let's illuminate this expression together and explore its use in the English language. Dark times is a phrase that can be taken both literally and figuratively. Literally, it refers to periods when there is little to no light, like at night or during a power outage. However, we often use this phrase in a figurative sense to describe periods of hardship, sadness, or despair in life or history. For example, if someone says, "The country went through dark times during the war," they mean that it was a period full of struggles and suffering. It paints a picture of a difficult situation, even though there might not have been any change in the actual lighting. The term, dark times, can be traced back to historical events that were challenging for a society, like economic crises, wars, or pandemics. It's a powerful expression that captures the collective struggle of a group of people. In contemporary times, it's used to reflect personal struggles as well, such as dealing with illness, loss, or personal failures. When you hear someone say, "He's going through dark times," it's an expression of empathy acknowledging that the person is facing significant challenges. Let's see how to use dark times in sentences. Many businesses are facing dark times due to the economic downturn. She stood by me during my dark times, and I'll always be grateful for her support. The novel portrays the dark times of the protagonist with great sensitivity. Notice how the phrase is flexible and can be applied in various contexts to indicate trouble or difficulty. We hope this exploration has shed some light on the phrase, dark times, for you. Remember, language is not just about words but the emotions and histories they carry. Next time you come across this phrase or use it yourself, you'll know exactly what it signifies and the weight it holds. Thank you for joining us today. If this video helped you understand dark times a little better, please consider giving us a like or share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more English language insights, and until next time, keep learning.